Good morning, and welcome to episode 180 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Checkan, president of Asset Strategies International, and today is Wednesday, June 26th, 2024. A Chinese spacecraft carrying the first ever rocks from the dark side of the moon touches down in Mongolia. WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange accepts a U.S. plea deal ending a 14-year pursuit by U.S. authorities as a result of his violation of the Espionage Act. Federal Reserve Governor Michelle Bowman spoke publicly saying that rate increases are not off the table as of yet if inflation does not retreat from current levels. As a result, the gold and silver prices continue to be very choppy, moving up and down from day to day. Let's take a look and see where those numbers are from last week. Gold today sits at $2,309.70 an ounce. That's down 0.8% from last week at $2,328.20. Silver's down 2.1% to $28.93 an ounce. It was $29.54 last week. Platinum is up to $1,003 from $989 last week. That's a 1.4% increase. And palladium's the big winner in the precious metals complex. It's up 4.8% this week to $974 an ounce from $929 an ounce last week. With gold falling less than silver, it takes more ounces of silver to buy an ounce of gold. So your gold-silver ratio this week is 79.84. It was 78.82 last week. And the US dollar flexing its muscles slightly from last week. It's up to 105.90, just under 106 on the index. It was 105.18 last week. Folks, I know it can be a bit disconcerting when you see the gold and silver prices moving up and down day to day. I can tell you we are still in the breakout mode. We're looking for higher gold and silver prices, but it doesn't mean we're not going to see volatility on our way there. Expect that throughout the summer. I expect this rally to resume with earnest in the fall. In the meantime, anytime you hear sound bites from Federal Reserve governors or any other key people talking about inflation or the elections, we've got the big debate coming up between President Biden and former President Trump on Thursday night. Anytime you hear some of these sound bites, you're going to see a reaction in the market. Understand that short-term noise. Long-term, there's no question what's going on here. Remember, Congress has no appetite to balance the budget. Therefore, we will continue to inflate our currency, and we will see higher prices for everything that matters, and gold and silver are certainly part of that mix. As always, we like you to go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us, send us your comments and questions, follow us on our social media platforms, take our twice weekly, always something interesting alerts and our once monthly information line newsletter. But in the end, don't ever forget that getting rich starts with keeping what's yours.